Here I am. Okay, I've reached my destination. It is said it is better to travel hopefully than to arrive, but I've arrived at a wonderful destination and we're going to spend time together. Finally, after changing 2 flights, I have reached Baku. Finally, after changing 2 flights, I have reached Baku. It is beautiful, the weather is cold here, and I'm going towards the immigration. And finally, I'm outside the airport at Baku. And the journey was awesome, and I was welcomed by my friend. Hello.
Hello, welcome to Azerbaijan.
Oh, mashallah, that's great. It's really good to see him. He was already there to receive me, and now we are going to go to hotel, and I'm going to show you the hotel.
Yes,
That's great.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, so guys, let's just go to the hotel, and then I'm going to show you all the beauty. Here I am. Okay, I've reached my destination. It is said it is better to travel hopefully than to arrive, but I've arrived at a wonderful destination and we're going to spend time together. The airport and the beautiful weather, they made beautiful ambience, and the clouds, actually, they were so beautiful, and I was overjoyed when I came out of the airport, and it was fantastic over there. As I had got a package from a travel company, so there was the driver and this beautiful Mercedes over there, and I was so excited to see the beauty of this country. As we came out of the airport, I could see the control tower, and this is the control tower which was outside the airport. I mean, the landscape, the greenery, the clouds, the sky, and even the roads, they mesmerized me a lot. As I came out of the airport, there were several picturesque views, buildings, and the driver, he tried to tell me about them because he was a tourist guide as well. For example, this bridge, it was amazing, and you know, when I went under that bridge, I had a great feeling about that, okay? And as we proceeded, I saw buildings, and then my favorite building in Azerbaijan is flame towers, and from the distance I could see flame towers. Then I asked the driver, are they flame towers? And he said, yes, they are flame towers. And I was like, yay! Finally I reached my destination. And you can see, I mean, in Azerbaijan, the buildings look more like flame. Even you can look at this building, it is in curves. So Azer is from fire, one of my students told me. Okay, and this is the famous Haider Aliyev Park. There they have this I Love Baku as well. So as I was going, I was shifted from airport to the hotel. I saw this beautiful monument as well. This monument represents Azerbaijan. It was a tiresome journey. Like, I had to change 2 flights from Pakistan to Dubai, right? Then from Dubai to Azerbaijan. But once I reached here and I came out of the airport, I mean, when I breathed in the fresh air of Azerbaijan, all my, what do you say, fatigue was gone, and I was warmly welcomed by my friend here. So it's all amazing. I mean, the starting of my tour to Azerbaijan is lovely. So I look forward to this tour, and I'm going to show you so many places over here, and you're going to be my partner. By the end of this tour, you will be able to say that you've been to Azerbaijan as well, okay?